Hi everybody, today's video will be how to do a marble pom-pom on your clover pom-pom maker. First I prepare my waste yarn that I have from other video that I did from other project. So we'll grab my clover pom-pom maker, open one side, and I will start with the gray yarn. You hold it with your thumbs, and with the other end you will go around the machine, not the machine but the gadget, and you make sure that you have a great tension on it. More tension you have, better it's gonna be at the end when you will cut the yarn. Will give you a pom-pom with like tennis. It will be a hard pom-pom, won't be too loose. So we'll go like this all around to cover all the half circle, cut it, and we'll bring my other yarn, because the idea is to use all the leftover yarn that I have from other project. So I start one side and go to the other side to make sure it's uniform all the way. So I will have to cut the yarn to keep some for the other side, because I will do start with gray and marble, gray and pink, and then go with the pink like fluorescent color, this one, and I will go and hold it with my thumbs and turn around it. It's actually not that hard to use, but the key is to have a good tension on your yarn. So I will cut it to keep some pink for the other side, and I will come back with my gray. I will finish with that color. I start with gray, I will end it with gray. So I will continue, hold it there, and go around. Like this. I have a knot, I have to fix it. I'm not done with the gray, and just add some more gray for better finishing look. And go to the other side. I open it and start with gray like I did on the other side. There. And go around it like this. Cut it, come back with my mix pink, go around it. It's hard on my hands, that have that weird movement with my right hand right now, but it will look good at the end, so it's worth it. So I go with the flashy pink and come back with the gray to finish it. When it's done, you cut it. You take some yarn, like double it and cut. Put it aside for now, and with sharp scissors you will cut one side of the pom-pom maker, and then you go on the other side. And then you bring back your yarn that you double, so it prevent from broke during the time that you put that around, and do a tight knot, and you do a double one on it, and you go on the other side and you repeat the same exact thing, holding your double layer yarn. I do another one. I'm always more careful than anything when I do some project with for kids Open one side like this with my thumbs and the other one, and then go to the other side. Pull it, put that together, put that aside, and I will shake it my pom pom, and it's done. I wish you a good week. See you next time for your next video with me on next week. Bye bye. Have a great week. Hope you enjoyed the video. You could share it if you want, and don't forget to put the thumbs up. I always appreciate that. Have a great week.